Has anyone ever sat in a waiting room feeling so ill for, I don't know, like 1 hour waiting to see a doctor? And after being called into the room with the doctor, he or she just focuses on, checking off boxes to discern your ailment and giving you your treatment, not caring so much about how you're feeling, the complaints that you have, and, just the pain you're going through. Well, I have, and to me, that's diminishing quality of care. Quality in healthcare means providing the care the patient needs when the patient needs it in an affordable, safe, and effective manner. Hence, quality of care is the major expectation of all patients, while healthcare efficiency is a comparison of delivery system outputs, like physician visits or healthcare outcomes, with inputs like cost, time, or material. These days, both aspects of healthcare dissipation are strongly affected by financial pressures and potential capabilities which determine the future potential of healthcare sector and separate institutions.